Hello mga kamas guys. Okay, ito na naman. May review tayong isang token sa BullFi, no? But before that guys, please subscribe to my channel if you want to earn or learn more about Web3. So this is the Crypto Hasi channel. Subscribe to my channel guys. So ayon kasi sa kanila, ayan, so make sure lang pala na i-connect yung wallet nyo dito before buying guys. And BSC and ETH, buy with BNB or USDT. So sa ETH, meron din naman yung USDT and BNB guys. No? Connect nyo yung MetaMask wallet nyo guys, kagaya ng ginawa ko. Ayan, via MetaMask and BSC network. Okay, make sure lang din na may laman na BSC or USDT or ETH or USDT ang wallet nyo. Okay, so ayon kasi kay Andy Lian, ayan, nung March 27, 2025, ang nagsulat ng vlog na to is Xiao Paul, no? Innovative platform combining decentralized finance, divine, artificial intelligence. Pinag-combine ang DeFi finance and AI. So ang tawag doon is Def AI guys. So DeFi plus AI sector enhancing liquidity, aggression and streaming crypto assets management across multiple blockchain network. So revolutionizing DeFi with AI and cross-chain connectivity. Maybe it's called Web4. So nabanggit niya yan dito sa kaniyang vlog guys. So pwede nyo ipanoorin to and then ilalagay ko yung link dyan sa ating description down below guys. Okay? The time is always right to do the right thing, Andy Lian. So isa to sa mga malulupit na developer or para mas madaling salita is andito yan. So Andy Lian, an optimized cross-chain trading today announced a strategic investment from renowned blockchain strategies guys, si Andy Lian. Okay, so yun siya. So nga pala merong Telegram group itong ating BullFi. So meron silang 3,695 members guys, and BullFi News 7,244 subscriber ang group nila guys. Nandiyan na rin ang link niyan sa ating description down below. So ito yung BullFi. So ano ba yung makikita natin sa BullFi guys? So BullFi is a next generation DeFi platform that merge decentralized finance DeFi with AI or artificial intelligence. So core features nito is Def AI, integrated AI to analyze market behavior, generates predictive insights, automates trading strategies across multiple blockchain, DEX aggregator, so consolidates liquidity from several centralized exchanges, optimizes trade routes and fees, reduce slippage, and enhances use experience. So cross-chain compatibility enables seamless trading and management of assets across different blockchain networks. No need for multiple bridges or wallets. AI-based automation provides smart alerts and trade suggestion. Enable auto trading modes. Learn from pattern to enhance security and user efficiency. So mission and vision guys. So BullFi's mission is decentralized intelligence trading, reduce any barriers for crypto user and create a powerful ecosystem where AI meets DeFi. The goal is to provide so smart and accessible trading tools, cross-chain liquidity without complexity, scalable infrastructure ready for mass adaptation. The competitive differentiators, accessibility, scalability, friendly UI for beginners, built to support a wide range of blockchain networks, enhanced by AI-driven behavior tracking, and contract audit. So governance, so community-focused development and future DAO implementation. The strategic milestone, Andy Lian joins BullFi guys. Who is Andy Lian? Over 15 years in blockchain, especially in Asia. Former government relations advisor and partnership chief at Bybit. Collaborated with Hyundai DAC, Asian Productivity Organization, Ronaldinho Gaucho NFT project. Followers and known by CS Binance, invited a global crypto stage. Okay, that's Andy Lian guys, no? So why he matters? So credibility validates BullFi's model and strengthens its image globally. Networks open doors to potential listing and strategic partnership. Strategic vision so brings multi-sectoral experience that supports BullFi's international expansion and product alignments. So being X-listing announcement and media coverage guys. So benefits for investors, so higher credibility with strong names involved, faster growth potential with SEC listing and global partnership, more utility and exposure across chain and AI features evolve. And then here's the roadmap guys, and what's next: release of enhanced AI dashboard, trading prediction, expansion into more blockchain beyond Ethereum and BSC, institutional and DAO partnership initiatives and community governance tools and further sex listings. Speculation includes Bybit due to Lian's background. So the summary of this one is Bullfi is shaping up to be one of the most promising players at the intersection of DeFi and a true DeFi platform with a strong foundation, innovative technology, that strategic backing of ND Lian and upcoming listing like Bing X. Bullfi is gaining momentum fast, guys. Okay, so you can check the free sale here, guys. So right now the price of one, let's see the USDT, guys. So one, ayan, so get Bullfi 11. So 1 BSC is 11 and 1 USDT pala, no? So 10 USDT mo, meron kang 117 Bullfi token, guys. Okay? So you just need to approve this and make sure na meron kayong USDT, no, sa inyong mga wallet. Okay? So yun lang naman about dito sa Bullfi, no? Ayan, marami nang nagsasabi na legit naman itong ating Bullfi leverage artificial intelligence to empower user with real-time insights. So ito yung pinaka-tweet niya, no? Automated trading capabilities in seamless asset management experience. Its DEX aggregation protocol optimized liquidity and price discovery across multiple blockchain. A sophisticated yet user-centric approach, I believe. This blend of innovation and usability position Bullfi exceptionally well in the evolving of deep AI landscape, guys. Okay, so yun lang muna for today's video, and then maraming salamat sa panonood, and then mas guys, no, subscribe kayo sa ating channel. Maraming salamat, bye bye.